Welcome back to the channel. There we go. The sprinklers are running over there. Okay, I was thinking it is blocked. It's not blocked, it's running. As you can see, I just bought a T-joint. I had to cut this pipe. Then I cut the pipe. The T-joint connects from here. So this is the solar pump. 3 horsepower, Nexus brand. Another beautiful morning. So today on the rural home, we would like to show you how we do our irrigation system. And don't mind the rabbits. These are my kids. I like these animals because they provide easy meat. So this is yet another day, and we would like to show you how we do our irrigation system. We use a solar pump system for irrigation. So what you would like to do is unlike other people in this area, because this is a mountainous area, so most of the people, they use the force of gravity to transport their water from different sources down the streams to their places. For ourselves, we use a solar system because our place is a little bit lifted up. It is difficult to take water using the force of gravity from different streams. So what we did is to improvise a solar system. Without wasting much of the time, let me rush and show you where the solars are, and from there we go to the field to fix the pipes, and after that you see how we put on the solar pump and the irrigations. So we had to set them up close to the river. They are dusty. We need to clean that dusty. Just after that house, you can see that this is the river down there. It's about 30-50 meters from here, but all the way to the field where we do some irrigation, it's about 200 meters. So from the river down there, as you can see from the river here, this is the river. We've got about 200 meter pipes from the pump in the river to the field. So down from the river here, this is the river, as you can see, this is water from the river. All the way up here, we have a joint. This is the joint that we connect and disconnect when we want some water for home use. We did not put a joint because it's much easier for us to simply tie with the reckon and disconnect and connect to the pipe that gets to the house.
You made me go loco. You made me go loco.
You can see the river down there. Okay, so voila, we are here. So we want to water this place where we were last time. The setup here is very clear and simple. Pipe comes from the river up here. Then we have a joint here. Instead of going down, then come up, the water simply joins here. As you can see, these two pipes, left and right. Then it goes all this way. The water goes and the sprinklers. Okay, as simple as that. We are simply going to use this elastic.
You make me go loco. You make me go loco. You make me go loco.
There we go. We have a joint. As you can see, I did not buy those sprinkler joints, whatever. I just bought a T-joint, and from that T-joint I had to cut this pipe from the other pipes like this. Then I cut the pipe, I bend it, open up, I put the T-joint that I bought. The T-joint connects from here, from this side, and this side, and here, up here. So it takes water up here. Then we have to burn again with some fire and put this sprinkler. After that, we wrap with the elastic reckon, and that's it. So this is how I made all these sprinklers. This is how I managed to deal with all these sprinklers. And from here, this is the last one. So we have to do the same. We put the T-joint, but immediately after that we wrap it up, we close it so that the water doesn't come out, and that's it. And now we need to go to the river to connect the water pump. So this is the solar pump. It's a 3 horsepower. It's a Nexus brand, and we're going to tie it to this pipe that goes all up to the mountain and to the field. And this is the power cable over here. We had to put this power cable in the pipe, then we connect it here. We go to the house, we just lift the breaker, boom, the water begins to run. So this is what it looks like. The output here is 40 millimeters of water that comes out. And you might be wondering what is happening here. As I have explained, that sometimes we buy these things far away, and you go to town, you think this is the right thing, and when you come home you see it's totally different. So we bought a small joint that connects the pump to the pipe, and we saw that because of pressure it was not reliable. So we had to tie up that joint with this elastic reckon to make sure that it's tight and it doesn't release or allow water to go out. So what we do now is we put it in this pool. This is a lot of water coming here. This is the river. This is the river. It has a lot of water. I can drink this. No problem. This water, as it comes from those mountains up there, as you can see, those are the mountains where the water is coming from. This plastic paper serves as a gripper. It helps to grip the pipes together, and it doesn't allow water to spill. So we do like this, we connect the two together, they feed into each other like this, simple as it is.
You make me go loco. You make me go loco. You make me go loco.
Mira uko ushute ndichibata kuda. Kurundura. Okay, so this is how we do it. We are then follow. We place the pump into the water like this, and that's it. See, the pump is in the water, as you can see. Up the hill. Here we have the breaker. All right, so we simply pull it up and the pump is already working. These are the cables that comes from the solars. Close. And they run through here. They go to the river. So, can you hear the sound of the pump? It's already running. Can you see where we have tied? No water is coming out. You see? Just some little water coming out there, but not much. Okay. There we go. The sprinklers are running with full pressure, but I see the last one over there. Okay. Okay, I was thinking it is blocked. It's not blocked, it's running. So we got water running here. We got the sprinklers running. This one is still filling up. It's not running yet. Okay, I think it's blocked. Yeah, it's blocked. Let me fix it. And this is the other sprinkler. It's running here, watering the garden. So one sprinkler is able to cover all this place. Yeah.